How to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Instagram Notes feature not showing up. Now, Notes feature is the latest feature on Instagram where you can share a quick note or status with your friends. If you open up Instagram app and head into your chats by tapping on the chat icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen, here you'll get your note feature and you'll be able to view your friends' notes from here as well, as you can see on the screen. Now, if you aren't getting this feature, then it's probably because you haven't got the update or you haven't updated your app to the latest version, as this is the latest feature of Instagram. So what you want to do is head into Play Store or App Store and search in for Instagram and then update it if the update is available. However, if the update is not available, then you might just want to force the update. To do so, first scroll down the notification bar and head into settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can find at the top right corner. And once here, what you want to do is scroll down and head into apps, and on apps search in for Instagram. Now once you search in, what you want to do is head into stories and tap on clear data option and delete all your Instagram application data. And once you do this, if you head back to Play Store, you should be able to get the update, and once you update it, you'll get the notes feature. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.